It is done, it's a wrap, no, we ain't playing games. Did your nails, did your makeup, and we didn't braids. Got them leggings for your girl, for your man, we got chain. Products to spare, extensions for your hair. Glitters and them lashes, self-care and passion. Custom wigs, strips and dips, yeah, we got our own spread. Specialty with jewelry, it's a wrap, LLC.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, you are finally going to get to see my mask makeup routine. I have been doing this ever since we started to wear masks, and I am finally getting this footage out to you all. So, what I like to do when I am going out to the store, and things are a little different now, but they're still the same. You know, a lot of people still have it, still spreading it and so forth. So masks are still important, whether your area is making you wear it, whether it's mandatory, or whether you just want to protect yourself and others. So I will be wearing a mask, okay? So what I started doing, and it's crazy because I felt like it was unnecessary to put makeup all over my face if I'm wearing a mask. So I started putting makeup on the part of my face that was going to be showing, which is the top part. Then a lot of people who were putting makeup all over their face, who weren't really, properly moisturizing their skin and all of that, people started getting maskne and all this stuff, which is basically when you break out, under the mask because, you're not getting the proper oxygen or whatever to that area. So this method has been working out perfectly for me. I don't put a lot of makeup where that mask is going to be because, why would I? Should I? You know what I'm saying? So whenever I go out, I like to have my hair in a ponytail. And this is a wig, of course. Put my hair in a ponytail. That way it's not in my face. They said the virus can be in hair and all of that. So I was like, okay, we're going to move the hair out the way. So for my makeup, I just apply foundation on the top portion of my face. I did my eyeshadow, eyebrows, all of that good stuff. And when I go out, I get so many compliments. People are like, I love your makeup. And I'm like, you can't even see my makeup for real. I have a mask on, but it's those eyes. I'm telling you, when you have a mask on, your eye makeup is so important. So here I'm just showing you this new brush at this time of the video. It was new. And when I do my brows, I like to use a spoolie, and I like to use a angled brush to apply my brow powder. So I was showing you guys that brush because on each end of the brush it had the spoolie and the angled eyeliner, which is what I like to use. So that's why I showed you that. I'm really excited about that. In my next video, you're going to get to see me do my full face only using the Mary Kay brushes. So if you want to see me use that brush and all of our other new brushes, then make sure you check that video out. So here I'm just going in with a simple eyeshadow look. I'm using 3 of those colors in that palette. The light under that brow bone. I like to go in my crease with kind of like a burgundy color. I feel like it brings warmth and life into the eye. It don't necessarily look like you have on a lot of eyeshadow. It just looks like, maybe your eyelid can just look like that. So then I went in on the lid, popped a little shimmer or something there, just to make the eyes pop a little bit. But when you have a mask on, the main thing that people are going to see is your eyes. So you can do a full out eyeshadow look or a simple eyeshadow look, but if you are a lash wearer, this is your time to shine, okay? putting those lashes on is going to take that mask to a whole nother level, okay? So I'm going to be using, this is one of our newer limited edition mascaras. It is sold out on our website, but I do have a few of these in stock. I have a little Christmas package put together with one of these and a pair of my lashes. So make sure you guys go to my Facebook page if you guys want to grab one of those at a really good deal. So I'm just applying this mascara, and this mascara has different sides and it has a point to it that really helps you get into those hard to reach places. So I like to apply my mascara before I do my lashes, just to make sure that any powder or eyeshadow or anything that has fallen on my lashes is removed, so that when I apply my dark color lashes, you don't catch like that glare of your highlighting powder and all that stuff under the lashes. I see that a lot, and you know, some people's pictures and stuff, and I don't like that. That's why I like to put on mascara first. Here I'm just showing you my lashes. I currently have 6 styles. One style I have a very limited supply of, so that is in the process of being restocked. But I love my lashes. I name them based off of, you know, different characteristics that I feel like I possess. So yeah, depending on how I'm feeling, you know, I might just decide to be dramatic, or I might want to be ambitious, or I might, you know, want to do the most and just be assertive, and you know, so hey. So I'm just gonna apply it how I regularly do, using my favorite lash tweezers. I do carry these as well. Just gonna pop those bad boys on. And my lower face is moisturized, hydrated, but I don't really have makeup on. So now it's time to put the mask on. I did make this mask. I have been making masks, so if you need one, I do have my fabric selection over on my Facebook page, so make sure that you guys are looking at those links in the description bar. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video to see how I kind of get out of the house quickly and still look fabulous without doing a lot. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in my next video.